Want to build a website where users can post their own content? Whether it's a blog, a forum, or a user-generated content hub, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, from buying a domain and hosting to setting up user roles and submission forms. And the best part? We'll use Verpex hosting, one of the best hosting providers with top-tier performance and amazing customer support. Bullet points of what the video will cover. Choosing a domain name and hosting with Verpex. Installing WordPress in one click. Enabling user registration, setting user roles and permissions, using a front-end submission form, managing user content and publishing workflow. Step 1. Choosing a domain name and hosting. The first step is to choose a domain name and get reliable web hosting. Your domain is your online identity, so pick a name that is easy to remember and represents your niche. Now, you need a hosting provider. I highly recommend Verpex hosting. It's one of the most reliable and affordable hosting providers with 24/7 expert customer support, free domain and SSL certificate, one-click WordPress installation, daily backups and security monitoring, super fast performance with cloud hosting. To get started, go to verpex.com, choose a WordPress hosting plan, and register your domain for free. Once you've made your purchase, you're ready to install WordPress. Step 2. Installing WordPress. Once you have your hosting, it's time to install WordPress. With Verpex, it's super easy. Just log into your Verpex hosting panel, find one-click install, select WordPress, and complete the installation in seconds. After installing, you'll receive login details. Now, you can access your WordPress dashboard and start building your site. Step 3. Enabling user registration. To allow users to sign up and contribute content, go to Settings General and enable Anyone can register. This will allow users to create accounts on your site. Additional tip: change the default user role to contributor. Make sure to set the default user role to contributor instead of subscriber. This will allow users to submit posts without publishing them directly. Step 4. Setting user roles and permissions. WordPress has different user roles, but for a user-generated content website, you need to assign roles properly. Here's what they mean. Subscriber can only read posts and manage their profile. Contributors can write and submit posts, but can't publish them. Authors can write, edit, and publish their own posts. Editors can manage and publish all posts, including other users' content. Administrator has full control over the website. For security, set new users as contributors. This ensures that posts need admin approval before going live. Step 5. Using a front-end submission plugin. Instead of giving users access to the WordPress dashboard, you can use a front-end submission plugin like User Submitted Posts or WP User Frontend. These plugins allow users to submit content directly from the website. Simply install the plugin, configure the submission form, and place it on a page where users can easily access it. Now, anyone can submit posts from the front end. Step 6. Managing user-submitted content. Once users submit posts, they will appear under the Pending tab. As an admin, you can review, edit, and publish the posts. Make sure to moderate content to maintain quality. Additional tip: enable email notifications. You can set up email notifications so that you're alerted when a new post is submitted. Bonus: monetizing your user-generated content website. Want to make money from your user-generated content website? Here are some great monetization strategies. Ads and sponsorships, display ads or get brand deals. Membership plans, charge users for premium content. Affiliate marketing, earn commissions from product recommendations. Paid guest posts, allow businesses to submit sponsored posts. With the right strategy, your website can generate passive income while engaging a growing audience. And that's how you create a website where users can post content. To recap, get hosting and a domain from Verpex Hosting. Install WordPress in one click. Enable user registration and assign roles. Use a front-end submission form. Manage and approve user submissions. Monetize your content site for passive income. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WordPress and website building guides. And if you want reliable hosting with top-tier support, check out Verpex Hosting, link in the description.